Guys, this is my first video in English. Here we are replacing a sway bar bushing in a Captiva 3.6 liter, produced in Mexico and sold here in Brazil, Mexico, and United States. It's pretty basic procedure because you just need to remove the wheels here. There is a cover shield here with some I don't know how to say it in English. It's some plastic screw, something like that. I don't know how to say this in English. And after that, you have plenty room to do the job right there. This is the sway bar bushing. So I just replaced the old one. It was cracking. It's very hard, so it was not doing the job it was expected to do. And the reason why I did this job was because I'm hearing some noise coming from the right side of suspension, and I started replacing the suspension, the suspension bushings and the sway bar link, and the noise is still coming. So the next step was to replace the sway bar bushings, and if the noise still comes, I was planning to go for the shock absorbers here. There is a bearing right there on where the shock absorber is screwed. I don't know if the pronunciation is correct, but this will be my next challenge. So I really hope that the sway bar bushing will solve the problem, but if not, I'm prepared for this new big challenge. And the tools I have used, guys, is a wrench with a 15mm socket. I'm using this two tools. I'm not sure how is a jack, obviously, but I'm not sure how say this in English. And this another jack here to lift the suspension, so I can remove the bush and put another one in there, because otherwise you don't have enough space to put the newer one in there, because the weight of the car will be under the sway bar bush, the sway bar. So you need to lift it in order to have room and have enough space to do the job. So that's it, guys. And on special thanks for Thomas that asked me to do this video in English. So I know that there is much better videos in English, of course, guys, for you, but I thought that would be a good practice for me to produce something in a different language than my own. Just to let you know, guys, here in Brazil we speak Portuguese, okay? Okay, guys, thank you. Have here is Sunday. The Sunday is finished, so for the people that will see this movie, will see this video in a Sunday, have a good weekend, a rest of the weekend for you there, guys. Bye bye.